Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the language on Pinterest using the updated steps. Whether you're exploring new languages or simply want to customize your experience, this process is simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once it loads, look for the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Next, tap on your profile picture again, this time in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Account Management. Once inside, tap on Personal Information. Here you'll see an option labeled Language. Tap on it to view a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language by tapping on it. Once you've made your selection, Pinterest will automatically update its interface to reflect your chosen language. That's it. You've successfully changed the language on Pinterest. Now you can enjoy browsing and pinning in a language that feels most comfortable for you. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just follow these same steps. Happy pinning!